So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix pop-up ads on Google Chrome. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to your Google Chrome browser and go to the top right here. Click on those three dots, and then on what you have to do is click on settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here and click on privacy and security. And now what you have to do is click on site settings and scroll down until you find this pop-ups option. Click on it, and now as you can see, you can block the pop-ups from here, or you can enable them if you want again. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.